everybody, welcome back to another technical FX setup analysis video edition. My name is still Damir Galt from good old Germany, and it's Tuesday the 10th September 2013, meanwhile 18 o'clock 33 Central European time, and I want to give you a new FX setup for the next 48 hours. Okay, here we go with the dollar chief. I'm choosing the dollar chief here because maybe you remember last week I also chose here as a trading capability here let's go to the 50 minutes. Yes, here a long position to go long last week, and it was a great idea, but here on Thursday maybe maybe the market accepted too much here from the labor market in the US area, so quite disappoint development here since Friday in the US dollar. But from the technical point of view, I think it's still a good setup here, this area. So I would proudly here once again try to catch or to buy US dollar against the chief. So because this week we don't have so much impact. Tomorrow unemployment claims, or on Thursday and on Friday retail sales from the west side, two big datas. And from the technical point of view here, it could be a good setup into weekend, maybe round about last week highs. So okay, and so all in all, I would still prefer the long side US dollar chief right here right now, 0.9348 at half hour after midday New York Tuesday trading session. Here we see the stop I would create here last at 0.93. So we've got here 49 pips on the downside, and the above side, target side here is here still 94. So 100 pips change, and on the downside even 50 pips. So okay, I think it's a good how do you say in English? Good ratio, yes. Good trading capability even. Okay, from technical point of view, interesting here, we saw the big accepted on Friday here on the US employment data. On Thursday, the unemployment claims come out. So be aware of this impact. Yes. So and all in all, I would still prefer the long side course. Here we've got here this trading pattern or turnaround formation if you want. Here long sideways trend short came here down, and here under 93 here we saw some buyers yesterday. So yesterday roundabout before Wall Street opened, and this morning here also we get out here of this buy area, even 0.9320 here, this 20 pips above. So and creating here something like an upside trend. The interesting point of view is also here, if we look a little bit back, here we see last week development, the try to get higher prices, and then we crashed on Friday intraday, and here we've got here on the last week before, even Friday, Thursday and Wednesday, maybe you remembered here this highs, and this highs, if we look back here, holds, and we are trading here above. So if you want, we are still out of the water in the last 10 trading days. So from this point of view, maybe that could be a good setup, a good setup for bulls. Okay, in the dollar chief. Okay, targets. Here we are. Here we see this once again, maybe So here this side trading pattern here also, trading pattern on Friday, here on Monday. And if we create here some lines, here we see these are the targets. So if you want tomorrow, we should see all in all if the trend continues until tomorrow. That's what's this? An alert, another cross rate. Ignore this. Okay. Here, now I lose my red line. Okay, here we are. Yes, the upside trend here. The targets are if we are still in the trend, tomorrow we should here arrive. Here this trading pattern from Monday, and maybe Thursday, Friday when the economic data came out. Maybe we could here go even into the 0.94 area or above. Okay, all in all, once again, long talk, short conclusions. 0.9344 right here right now, US dollar chief is trading. I would prefer the long side stop, at least, however your risk appetite is. 0.9334, 0.9331, 0.9320, or 0.9312, at least 0.93. So 45 pips on the downside. Target should be 0.9367. Second, 0.9390, and maybe into weekend on Friday after the data came out, 0.9430 or even 0.9455 last week highs. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thanks for spending your time. Have a great morning, day or night, wherever and whenever you're watching my FX setup videos. Bye bye guys. And talking to you tomorrow while Wednesday Wall Street session again.